The National
Hey, hold
Weather
on a
Service in
second.
Cleveland
My radio's
has
went
issued
off.
a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, Huron County, until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 13 miles west of Castalia and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Norwalk, Fitchville, Castalia, Milan, Wakeman, New London. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Please report hail and strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Erie, and Huron. An urgent weather message for the following